Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to get rid of mold in your kids' room. So let's get started. First, you'll need white vinegar in a spray bottle and a sponge or a piece of cloth. Spray the vinegar directly onto the mold. Make sure to cover the entire affected area. Let the vinegar solution sit for about an hour. Then, use a sponge or a cloth to wipe away the mold. If the mold is stubborn, you can use a scrub brush to help remove it. And that's it. Your kids' room is now mold-free. Remember to keep the room well ventilated and dry to prevent mold from growing back. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.